Hi guys, welcome to another video from the Molten Motor Company. Just a really quick video to just show you what we're doing today. This is a 2014 Jaguar XK 5 litre V8. So it's the X150 aluminium bodied car. Now these have got a an oil sump drain plug, but you've got about 2 covers underneath, belly pans, with about 21 bolts, and it's just a faff. So what Jaguar have done, I'm not sure if you can see, but where it's the oil filler there, there's like a dipstick tube. I'm not sure if you can see, there's like a dipstick tube there, metal tube that comes all the way up to the top, and that is ideal for putting a piece of hose on, like you can see here, and sucking all the oil out, which is a lot easier than obviously messing around with all the bolts underneath and everything else. It would be different if the oil filter was underneath, but that isn't underneath either. That's in the engine bay. We haven't changed it yet, so we're going to suck all the oil out first, just taking the top cover off the engine. But this here is a paper element oil filter type. Now the previous model, or the previous engine size, which is a 4.2 in the XKs, which is X150, was a screw canister underneath, traditionally, and you know, you get to the sump plug underneath as well, which you can do this one with the sump plug, but obviously it's just a bit more of a task just to drop the oil. It's far easier to suck it out. So we bought a 12 volt pump. We had a hand pump suction pump before, but we thought, well, we bought this little engine oil transfer pump, which is 12 volt. It's a bit steady. It's a bit steady. You're not going to break any records, I don't think, with how much it's pulling through. But it's fairly quiet, and it was about £15, something like that, off Amazon. Far easier than messing around pumping, and I'm quite happy just to stand here talking to you on this video while it's doing it. So we're going to extract probably about 7.5 litres out of this, I would have thought. We've got the fresh oil to put in it, and we've got the new filter, and we should do the filter exchange in a minute, but I just thought I'd give you a quick little video, a quick little insight of how to get the oil out of these later XK 5 litres, and what we use to do it. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video and it's been a little bit of an insight. Hopefully it'll help you with your own car. Thanks for viewing, guys. Bye for now.